Ludwigia repens versus palustris. Ludwigia repens always adds a vibrant red hue to my tank, but I find Ludwigia palustris slightly more delicate and prone to melting if conditions aren't perfect. Ludwigia repens versus ovalis. When comparing Ludwigia repens and ovalis, I feel like ovalis stands out more with its broader leaves, creating a lush, full look in my aquascape. See more 89 species in genus Ludwigia at monsteraholic.com. Ludwigia repens versus Reuben. Between Ludwigia repens and Reuben, I personally prefer Reuben for its deeper, richer red color that really pops under strong lighting. Does Ludwigia repens need CO2? Ludwigia repens doesn't necessarily need CO2 injection, but it can significantly benefit from it. In my experience, providing CO2 supplementation has helped my Ludwigia repens grow more vigorously and maintain vibrant colors. However, it's not a strict requirement, as this plant can still thrive in setups without CO2, albeit at a slower pace. How to plant Ludwigia repens. Planting Ludwigia repens is quite straightforward but requires attention to detail for optimal growth. I usually start by trimming any damaged or excess leaves from the stems and then carefully planting them in the substrate. It's crucial to ensure that the roots are well buried but not buried too deeply, as this can impede growth. Additionally, spacing the stems adequately allows for better light penetration and prevents overcrowding. How to propagate Ludwigia repens. Propagating Ludwigia repens is relatively easy and rewarding. One method I've found effective is by simply snipping healthy stems and replanting them in the substrate. Ensuring that each stem has a few leaves intact and planting them in nutrient-rich substrate encourages quick rooting and new growth. Regular trimming and replanting help maintain a lush and dense Ludwigia repens carpet in my aquarium. Can Ludwigia repens grow in 8.0 pH? While Ludwigia repens can tolerate a wide range of pH levels, aiming for a pH of 6.0 to 7.5 is ideal for optimal growth and coloration. However, it can still survive in slightly alkaline conditions with a pH of around 8.0. In my experience, maintaining stable water parameters and providing adequate nutrients are more critical factors for ensuring healthy growth than pH alone. Can you grow Ludwigia repens indoors? Yes, Ludwigia repens can thrive indoors with the right conditions. Providing sufficient light, nutrient-rich substrate, and regular water changes are essential for indoor cultivation. Additionally, considering factors like temperature and humidity can help mimic its natural habitat and promote robust growth. Does Ludwigia repens need root tabs? In my experience, Ludwigia repens can benefit from root tabs, especially in setups with nutrient-deficient substrates. Root tabs provide a steady supply of essential nutrients directly to the plant's roots, promoting healthy growth and vibrant coloration. However, in well-established aquariums with nutrient-rich substrates, root tabs may not be necessary as the substrate can provide sufficient nutrients. How fast does Ludwigia repens grow? Ludwigia repens is known for its fast growth rate under favorable conditions. In my aquarium, I've observed it growing at a rate of about 1 to 2 inches per week when provided with ample light, CO2 supplementation, and nutrient-rich water. Regular pruning and maintenance are essential to prevent it from overcrowding other plants and maintain its desired shape. How tall is Ludwigia repens red? Ludwigia repens red can grow to varying heights depending on the specific conditions it's grown in. In my experience, it typically reaches heights of around 6 to 12 inches in my aquarium, but under optimal conditions, it can grow even taller. Pruning the stems regularly not only helps control its height but also encourages bushier growth and maintains its vibrant red coloration. How to keep Ludwigia repens red? To keep Ludwigia repens red and vibrant, providing high-intensity lighting and adequate nutrients is crucial. I've found that using full-spectrum LED lights with a color temperature of around 6500 K to 7000 K helps enhance its red hues. Additionally, ensuring a balanced nutrient regimen with sufficient iron and micronutrients promotes intense red coloration. Regular pruning to remove older leaves and encourage new growth also helps maintain its vibrant appearance. Will Ludwigia repens grow in current? Ludwigia repens can tolerate some water movement, but excessive current can hinder its growth and cause the stems to become uprooted. In my experience, providing moderate water flow in the aquarium is sufficient to keep the water oxygenated without negatively impacting the growth of Ludwigia repens. Ensuring that the plants are securely anchored in the substrate also helps prevent them from being swept away by strong currents.